In a significant development that could pave the way towards revolutionizing organ transplants, scientists have for the first time successfully created human-sheep hybrid embryos. The breakthrough research done by the researchers at Stanford University is being seen as an important step towards future medical technologies as scientists hope to grow human body parts inside unnatural, engineered animals for organ donation one day. For the current work, the Stanford scientists, by introducing human cells into sheep embryos, created the first interspecies sheep-human chimera, a hybrid creature that is more than 99% sheep. According to project lead Hiro Nakuachi, a professor of genetics at Stanford, at the American Association for the Advancement of Science conference in Texas, only about 1 in 10,000 cells, or fewer, in the hybrid embryos are human. Read, know the procedure for organ donation in India. We have this amazing life-saving technology right now with organ transplantation, but there aren't enough for everybody, said reproductive biologist Pablo Rost from the University of California. But there have been ethical concerns in this field of research as some people think that by humanizing the cellular composition of animals, it could lead to the creation of a human-faced pig or a sheep with a human mind. Also read, Organ Donation Day, what organs can I donate? The contribution of human cells so far is very small. It's nothing like a pig with a human face or human brain, stem cell biologist Hiro Nakuachi from Stanford University told media at a presentation of the research this week in Austin, Texas. Nakuachi explained that, by cell count, only about 1 in 10,000 cells, or less, in the sheep embryos are human. Although this ratio in the latest product is a tiny 0.01%, it is much higher than scientists have previously been able to create for pig-human chimeras, reported IFL Science. Ross said while all of these approaches are controversial and none of them are perfect, they offer hope to people who are dying on a daily basis, while also indicating the need to explore all possible alternatives to provide organs to ailing people. The researchers think at least 1% of the embryo cells would need to be human for the transplant to function, reported Science Alert, which means these first steps demonstrated in the sheep experiment are just a beginning and the road to having animals as potential organ donors is still a long way off. Researchers presented their findings over the weekend at the annual meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science in Austin, Texas.